case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 2002, the Alaska Supreme Court heard the case John's Heating Service v. Lamb, which revolved around the question of whether experts with specialized knowledge in furnace repair could testify to the standard of care required if proper court procedures were followed. Michael and Cynthia Lamb filed a lawsuit against John's Heating Service, alleging that the company failed to repair their furnace and neglected to warn them of its dangerous condition. The trial court allowed the testimony of medical experts hired by the Lambs despite John's Heating's objections. The jury found John's Heating negligent but reduced the verdict due to the Lambs' comparative negligence. John's Heating appealed on multiple issues, while the Lambs cross-appealed on inconsistency in the verdict and the admission of evidence. The appeals court reversed the summary judgment on the statute of limitations, struck down the award of pre-judgment interest, and deemed a joint offer of judgment valid, but affirmed all other issues. The Alaska Supreme Court held that the trial court's admission of expert testimony, application of quasi-estoppel, and the validation of a joint offer were correct. The case was then remanded for further proceedings, with the Superior Court's ruling determining the final outcome of the jury verdict, award, and interest recalculations.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.